Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Number 7, Pavilion. Number 23, Alba. Shot no good. Same ball. Subdivision rep. Last 51 seconds. Score 9-20 in favor of CY8TM. Inbound. Jump shot. The number 23 for 2 points. Foul. Number 11. Number 11, foul. Huh? First personal foul, penalty. Tiama. Pass to number 6, Baranda. 3 points. Inbound, number 30, pass to number 19, back to number 30. Number 30, Benitez, dribble the ball. Benitez, back to number 19, jump shot. No good. Who's power up? Number 26. Number 26. Hello? Sino to? First personal foul, penalty. Both team penalty. Ano ba? Warning lang daw. Gulo mo rin. Ano, committee? Warning to penalty. One point. Number 6, Baranda. Binababa na ang bola. Baranda. Dribble the ball. 15 seconds. Number 38, pass to number 12. Pinira sa ilalim, no good. Rebound by number 6, Baranda. Pass to number 23, Alvarez. No good. 3 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, back to number 19, Kendray. Number 1, Hubahi, back to number 19, Joseph. For 3 points by number 19, Kendray. Number 26, pass to number 12, quick shot. Number 12, pass to number 30, Tiama, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh, outside, keep one team ball. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 6, Baranda. Baranda, dribble the ball. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 30, Benitez. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, number 12, pass to number 14, Baranda. Pass to number 30, Kiyama. Foul, counted. Number 7. Third personal foul, per second team foul. One shot to Paltrell. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahid. Binaba ng bola. Hubahid, dribble the ball. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, jump shot, no good. Nakuha na pa rin ni Benitez ang bola. Benitez, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 26. Number 26, jump shot, no good. Okay. Substitution, wrap. Bakit? Hinaan niyo lang daw. Inbound, number 5 ng CY8 team. Number 5, pass to number 13. Number 13, binaba na ang bola. Paul Cute, dribble the ball. Outside, same ball. Inbound, number 13. Pass to number 37. Number 37. Pass to number, still by number 30, Kiyama. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, diniretso na for 2 points. Oh, technical. Number 1, Hubahid. Number 1, Hubahid, third person, foul? Third person. Third personal foul. Inbound. Number 14, pass to number 6, pass to number 26, Cruz, or aka Kakiwa. Pass to number 6, Baranda. Time to shoot. Back to number 26, 6 to shoot, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 13, Palcute. Pass to number 1, Hubahid. Diniretso na for 2 points by number 1, Hubahid. Inbound, number 12. Pass to number 30, Kiyama, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Big shot. Pass to number 30, Kiyama for 2 points. Number 1, Hubahid going down. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 12, oh. Pass to number 30, pass to number 6. Number 6, binaba ng bola. Baranda. Baranda, turn to shoot. Pass to number 26, Cruz, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahid. Foul. Who's foul? Number 6. Number 6. Baranda, first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Rep. Okay, inbound number 6 and number 5. Pass to number 13, Palcutila. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Dribble the ball. Number 1, sumalaksak. Tinira, foul. Number? Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 12. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang Tiburon team. Pass to number 12. Number 12, dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Turn to shoot. Number 14. Or same ball. Line to shoot. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 25. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, jump shot. Foul. Number first personal foul, third team foul. Brought to you by last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 1, Hubahi. Inbound number 30, pass to number 12. Number 12, nilaban ang bola. Pass to number 15, Radovan. Radovan, turn to shoot. Pass to number 3, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, dribble the ball. Pass to number 5. Anti-Puesto. Pass to number 13. Marquette. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ng Tiburon team ni number 14. Pass to number 30. Tiama. No good. Tiama again. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 5. Anti-Puesto. Then, first personal foul. First personal foul, third team foul. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib going down. Hubahib, jump shot, no good. Now only number 14, pass to number 12, pass to number 3, 14 points. Anti-Puesto, binaba ng bola, pass to number 3, Espinosa. Espinosa, pass to number 5, sumalaksak, no good. Number 1, Hubahib. 14. Foul counted. Who's foul? Number 3. 30, sorry. First personal foul. Rolling to penalty. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, pass to number 14, Radovan. Back to number 27, Peria. 13 points. Remaining time, last 4 minutes. Score 23-31 in favor of CY8TM. Number 13, pass to number 3, Espinosa. Pass to number 1, 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Oh. Tiburon Timbo. Timeout CY8. Inbound number 14, pass to 7. Number 7, pass to number 27, Peria. Binigay kay number 12, Longlo. No good. Number 27 for 2 points. Inbound number 7, pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 11, jump shot. Blocked by number 27. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Pass to number 7. Pabillo. Still by number 11. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Jump shot, no good. Same ball. Inbound, number 11, Espinosa. Pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 37, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 14 ng Tiburon team ang bola. Number 14, pass to number, pass to outside. CY8 team ball. Number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 19, Ken Drake. 10 to shoot. Outside, Tiburon team ball. Number 14, pass to number 7, Pabillo. Pabillo dribble the ball. Pass to number 27, Smalasang jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Natapik ni Benitez ang bola. Nakuha ni number 14, Radovan ng Tiburon team. Radovan dribble the ball. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Longlo for 2 points. Number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 10. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola, Radovan. Pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 7. Pabillo. Nakahulong foul kay number 37. Number 37, first personal foul, penalty. Solution rep. Penalty. Ball throw. No good. One shot, 2 ball throw. Pavillo. No good again. Rebound. Yun, number 6. Pass to number. Number 13, Cadre. Pass to number 30, Benitez. Pass to number 11, jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 6, Baranda. Baranda. Hindi yung mic. Second personal foul, penalty. Hello. 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 6. Banda. Oh, troubling violation. Remaining time last 50 seconds. CYA team ball. Number 19, Kendray, pass to number 30. Number 19, Kendray, no good. Number 11, no good. Foul. Who's foul? Number 23, Alvarez. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Hello. Hello. No good. Last one shot sa Paltrow. Let's pakiangat niya yung antena. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Number 1, Hubahig. Subdivision rep. Inbound. Inbound, number 12, pass to number 23, back to number 12. Number 12, Longo, back to number 23. Pass to number 6, Baranda. Oh, outside. CYA team ball. Tiburon. Baranda. Pass to number 12. Longo. No good. Follow up ni number 6, Baranda for 2 points. Still 10 seconds for 2 points by number 3. 5 seconds. 3, 2. The end of the second. Number 6, Baranda. Pass to number 14. Still by number 13. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 13 ang CY8 ang bola. Number 13, Palcute. Layup, no good. Outside, team run, team ball. Number 15, Tumba. Nakuha number 6, Baranda. Foul, number 13. 13, second personal foul, first team foul. Inbound number 6, pass to number 14, pass to number 30. Number 30, Tiyama jump shot for 2 points. Lamang na po ang Kibuan team. Number 1, Hubahib. Binaba na ang bola. Foul. Number 6, substitution rep. Number 6, third personal foul, first team foul. Number 5, anti-Presto. Jump shot. Foul. Number 2, Bayot. First personal foul, second team foul. Yan na. One point mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 5, outside Presto. No good. Last one shot to foul throw. No good. Nakuha pa rin. Yeah, ni number 20. Jump ball. Ang desisyon ng referee, jump ball. Inbound number 7. Pass to number 13. Oh, pushing foul. Number 14, Radovan. Radovan on personal foul, third team foul. Inbound number 13. Pass to number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo dribbled the ball. Back to number 13, pass to number 1, Hubahib. Foul. Number 27, first personal foul, warning to penalty. Rebound number 12, pass to number 13, Palcute, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 23, pass to number 2, pass play. It's still by number 7, Gallardo. Warning number 5, now walang foul. Kay number 12. Third personal foul, penalty. Penalty. One point mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 5, Antipresto. No good. Oh. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 12, pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot back to number 12, long low. Oh, CYA team ball. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 57 seconds. The score 34-33 in favor of CYA team. Number 13, Park hit. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 3, Espinosa. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12, Longno. Longno, binaban ang bola. Pass to number, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 1, Hubahib. Hubahib. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. Foul. Number second personal foul, penalty. Substitution work.
Bateria. Bateria lang.
Tiama, pass to number 2, Bayot. Outside, CYA, team ball. Let's... Number 1, Hubahib. Dribble the ball. Hubahib. Pass to number 5, Antipresto. Jump shot. No good. Number 14, ang bola, Radaban. Pass to number 30, Tiama. Pass to number 12, Longno, jump shot, 2 points. By number 12, Longno. Number 1, pinababa na ang bola, Hubahib. Hubahib. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30, pass to number 14. Rebound pass number, outside. And out. See. Inbound number 19. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11 back to number 13. Number 19 Kendray dribble the ball. Time to shoot. Pass to number 1 Hubahib. 5 to shoot. Foul shoot. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 27. Number 27, third personal foul, penalty. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow na number 30. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 13. Nice to number 12. Long run ng Tibo ng team. Pass to number 14. Number 14, Radovan. Sumalaksak. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Longno. Longno, dribble the ball. Bumasok sa loob. Kinira no good. Outside, same ball. Number 13 is still number 13. Pass to number 19, Ken Gray. Pass to number 1, Hubahid. Sumalaksak. Foul. Number 2, Payot. Second personal foul. Penalty. Yeah, boy. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. That's one shot si Paltrow. 1 point again. Substitution rep. Inbound number 14, pass to number 7, Pavilio. Pavilio, pass to number 37, pass to number 12. Longwell, pass to number 3. So, without umbrella, only number 13 is CY8. Pavilio, jump shot for 2 points by number 13. Number 12, Longwell. Dribble the ball. Longwell, pass to number 27. Number 27, jump shot. Good. Only number 1, Hubahid. Jump shot. No good. Longno. Longno dribble the ball. Pinataka number 27. No good. Nakakuha na ni number 11 ng CY8. Pass to number 37. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 8. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Hubahid. Nilay up. No good. Radovan. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. Foul. Number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. Third team foul. Time out. T-Bray. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Score 41-35. 41-36 in favor of CY8 No good. Ako ni Longno. Tinira no good. Outside. Same ball. Jump shot. No good. Ako pa rin nilang number. Ni number 6, Baranda. Jump shot. No good. Rebound for number 1, Hubahid. Foul. Number 3. second personal foul penalty. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Inbound number 6, Baranda. Pass to number 12, Long no. Pass to number 3. Back to Israel. Number 30. Keep it on team ball. Inbound number 14, pass to number 7, Pavilion. Pass to number 12, Lolo, jump shot, no good. Nakuha na ng CY18, number 37 ang bola. Number 37, pinababa na ang bola. Dribbling, violation. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Substitution rep. Inbound number 6. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 12. Number 12, wrong now. Pass to now. Still by number 1. Hubahid. Foul. Hands ball. Number 3, third personal foul penalty. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Score 43-36. One point. Wala sa tirang Paltrow. One point again. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Wala na pala.
Number 19, Kendry. No good. Only number 37, pass to number 30. Foul. Number 2, Bayot. Third personal foul penalty. No good. No good again. Rebound by number 30, Tiama. Pass break. No. For 2 points. Number 30, Benitez. With the ball on bola. Pass to number 1, jump shot. No good. Only Kendry ang bola. Naipasa kay number 30, Tiama. Pass to number 12. Number 12, Lolo. For 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Number 19, Kendry. No good. Tiama, pass break to number 2. Outside. CYA team ball. Last 32 seconds. Pass break to number 9, Kendry. Pink shot. Jump shot. 43 points. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 19, Kendray. Pass number 1, Hubahid. 2. Layup. Sakto lang for 2 points. Not caught. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound number 2, pass number 12, pass number 30, Yama. Outside, CYA team ball. Inbound number 3, pass number 30. Benitez. Benitez, pass to number 19. Kenway. Pass to number 1, 10 to shoot. Foul, number 14. Third personal foul, first team foul. Number 3, pass to number 19. Kenway, face shot. Nakuha pa rin ni Kendra yung bola. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 3. Espinosa. Dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 30, Benitez. Diretso na for 2 points. Inbound number 23. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Number 14, no good. Ang kilang spot. Number 30, Tiama, no good. Rebound by number 1, number 30, Benitez going down. Still by number 14, pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot. Pasa kay number 14, Lolo. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 7. Ang third, number ano ba? Number 7. Number 7, warning to foul out. First team foul. No good. Last one shot to foul trap. Dalawa pa? Sala lang eh. Oh yan, last one shot. No good again. Rebound by number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid. Binababa na ang bola. Hubahid dribble the ball. Still by number 14, pass to number 12, Longo for 2 points. Inbound number 1, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, pinababa na ang bola. 8 seconds, violation. Tiburon Timbo. Substitution rep. Inbound. Number 12. The spoil. Pero nakuha ni number 14, Rodobat. Rodobat, sumalaksak. No good. Awa ni Longno. Pinasa kay Longno ang bola. Number 27. Time to shoot. Number 23, Alvarez, down shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 7, back to number 13. Parkit. Back to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 19. Kendray. No good. Ang kinang spot. Rebound by number 1 survive. Clear no good. Number 30, pass to number 37. Back to number 30, Piyama, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 7, Gallardo. Gallardo, pass to number 1. Kapitawan lang, ayun. Outside, Tiburon Timbo. Subdivision rep. Subdivision. Outside. Inbound. Inbound, number 26, pass to number 7, back to number 26. Number 26, pass to number 7, sumalaksak, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 11, CY18 ang bola, pass to number 7, pass to number 1. Hubahid, Hubahid, pass to number 11. Steal. Nakakuha pa rin yung CY8. Oh, jump ball! Jump ball! Okay? Inbound number 11, pass. Ayun. Ako ni number 12 ang bola, Longno. Pass to number 26, Cruz. Binigay ayun. Pass to number 11, CY18, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Sumalaksak, nilay up for 2 points. Number 7, Pabilo. Last. Outside, CY8 team ball. Kanina ba? Tiburon team ball. Number 7, Pabilo. Back, pass to number 26 for 2 points. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 13. Number 13, Parkit. Pass to number 1, Hubahid. 10 to shoot. Bubahid, sumalaksak. Makakuha ng foul. Who's up? Number 7. Number 7, second personal foul. Second team foul. Pabilio. No good. Point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow. Inbound number 7, pass to number 27. Number 27, binababa ng bola. Steal by number 13, Palkiot. Palkiot for 2 points by number 13. Number 26, pass to number 12, Lolo. Foul, counted. Who's foul? Number 5, Antipresto. Second personal foul, second team foul. One shot. Not counted. CYA team ball. Substitution rep. Substitution. Down. Number 7, pass to number 13. Back to number 5, Antipresto. The steal by number 7, Pabilio. Pabilio. Sumalaksak, jump shot, no good. Outside, same ball. Inbound number 30. Pass to number 14. Radovan. Bumigay number 23. Alvarez, fake shot, jump shot. Foul. Number 11. Number 11. Third personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Dalawa pa. Yeah, boy. One. Last one shot. No good. Rebound by number 11, CYA team. Pass to number 5, Antipresto. David the ball. Antipresto. Nakakuha ng foul. Not counted. Who's foul? Number 7. Pabilio. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound number 7, pass to number 5, Antipresto, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 23, Alvarez, ng Tiburon team, ang bola. Alvarez, binaba na ang bola. Alvarez, pass to number 7, Pabilio. Pabilio, pass to number 4, Radovan. 10 to shoot. Steal. Nakuha ni number 1, Hubahid, ang bola. Pass to number 13. Go. Foul. Number 12. Longma. Number 12. Learning to pull out. Learning to penalty. No good. Last one shot. 1 point. Subdivision rep. Inbound. Number 12, pass to number 6. Baranda. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 7. Pavilion. Pass to number 30. Oh. Hands foul. Foul. Number 13. Hands foul. Number 13. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Yan, siya lang mag-isa. One point. Mula sa team ng Paltrow. 1 point again. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Is score 56-51 in favor of CYA team. Inbound number 7, pass to number 6, Baranda. Baranda, dribble the ball. Baranda, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ng number 13 ng Tiburon Team ang bola. Pass to number Pabillo, sumalaksak, pinigil ulit kay ng bola. Jump shot, no good. No, tinira pa yung lim, no good again. Nakuha ni number 1, CYA. Foul, number 6. Number 6, warning to power out, penalty. Okay, subdivision. Number 6, Baranda, warning to foul out, penalty. One point. One point again. Inbound, number 6, pass. Number 12, Lono, pass to number 14, Radovan. Radovan, dribble the ball. Radovan. Still. Wala ni number 5 ang bola. Anti-Peso, diniretso na, pero nablock ni number 6. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola, Longno. Longno, ng Triple team. Longno, pass to number 6. Baranda. Sumalaksak. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 7 ng CYA team. Gallardo, pass to number 5. Number 5, back to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 30. Benitez. Benitez, turn to shoot. Pass to number 5. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 30. Oh. Foul. Balik mo ka. Time out to the wrong team. mula sa CY8 ang natutira. Pero ang Tiburon, wala na pong time out. 1 point, oh, not counted. CY8 team ball. Not counted yun, ha? Inbound, number 37, pass to number 30, Benitez. Benitez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, pass to number 37. Hinihilit kay Benitez ang bola. Number 30, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 12, pass to number 14, Radovan, going down. Radovan with the ball. Binaban ang bola. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 27. Libre, no good. Nakuha ni number 30 ang bola, Benitez ng CY8. Pass to number 1. Number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, sumalaksak. Pinira for 2 points by number 1, Hubahid. Number 3, pass to number 27, Peria. Pinira, no good. Kuha pa rin ni Long ang bola. Foul, counted. Substitution, who's foul rep? Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Hello. Ano yan? Ba't ayaw sabihin sa akin? Number 7, graduate. Pambira ito. Yun, nakuha ni number 3. Ayawan na pag ganyan. Espinosa, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1. Hubahid. 10 to shoot. Walang foul. Namamaos na ako dahil sa tambol. Number 2 learning to foul out. Penalty. 1 point. One point again. Gab. Number 14 inbound, pass to number 2, back to number 14. Number 14, Radovan. Binaba na ang bola. Radovan. Gahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 30, Tiama. Number 23, pass to number 27, jump shot, no. Number 12, Longa, for 2 points. Wala ko si Tiama. Number 1, Hubahid. Binaba na ang bola. Hubahid, dribble the ball. Dumiretso na, no good. Hubahid again for 2 points. Last 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 27. Still by number 1, Hubahid. Number 1, Hubahid. The score 56-66 in favor of CY8 Camp. Good. No good. Rebound by number 27. Pass to number 2. Bayat. Last 33 seconds. Oh. Upright. CY8 team ball. Remaining time, last 31 seconds. The score 66-56. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa yan. China, CY8. Inbound. Number 13, pass to number 11. Pascual. Still, number 3, pass break to number 23, Alvarez. Pass to number 12, outside, CYA team ball. Inbound, number 11, pass, foul. Number 23, Alvarez. Third personal foul, penalty. One point.
Wala eh.
1 point again.
Nasaan tumama ako? Ito talaga.
Number 3, jump shot, no good. 10 seconds. Bayot, no good. Longno for 2 points.